Of course, you need to cook well to have a successful personal chef business, but you already do, and you're always learning and improving, or you wouldn't be here, am I right? Hey there, Chef Shelly here. This channel is for passionate home cooks who would love to get paid for it. So if that's something you're interested in, subscribe and click that little bell so that you never miss one of my Saturday videos. Believe it or not, besides cooking well, there are some other skills that you need to have a successful personal chef business, because you're not just cooking. You want to get paid and get paid well for your services. So if you want to be a pro, not only do you need to cook well, but you need to have your business set up properly, you need to be able to sell your services, and you need to be able to do the day-to-day details that all businesses do. So there are a few different skills that you might not have thought about that you really need to hone in if you want to get paid to do weekly meal prep services or any other service that you can offer in your personal chef biz for paying clients and have a successful personal chef business. When it comes to cooking, you obviously need to know your food safety, first of all, before anything else. These are like temps that you need to cook meat to, the fastest way to chill food down, recommended expiration dates. Remember, it's a little bit different cooking for a paying client than it is to just cook for yourself. You are responsible to give them safe food. You need to know how to handle that. Now, this also gets into those business details like having proper protection in your business entity, liability insurance, etc. As a matter of fact, I'll link in the description below to a video I have that goes into more details about the best way you can learn about food safety. So number two, the second is you really need to be a planner. You need to plan your month so that you know when you're working as far as the cooking and when you're working as far as doing the other things that all business owners have to do, like your paperwork, reconciling your business checking account, marketing to get more clients if you're not fully booked yet. You need to plan your week. You need to know when you need to get your menus from your clients for the next week, getting your paperwork for them done ahead of time, and of course, planning out your actual cook day. Now, you don't have to do this, but you will be more efficient, and when you're not just screwing around with cooking and you're doing it as a business, time is money. So third, and this kind of goes along with that one, you just need to be organized. You need to have your paperwork. You need to have your equipment that you're going to be taking with you. You need to have well-written grocery lists in order of the store so that you can go quickly through and not miss anything that you need, so you have to go back. As a matter of fact, these details are so important that we give everyone who joins us in the Personal Chef Business Academy all the templates for invoices, expense tracking, a client food questionnaire, business plan, marketing plan, everything. And you can get more info about that down in the description. But it's these things that are really the reason a lot of restaurants fail. Now, I'm sure that you've heard that the restaurant failure rate is way higher than the regular business fail rate. And it's not having proper systems in place, planning, and being organized. This is also why independent restaurants fail much more than chain restaurants. Love them or hate them from a food perspective, the reason that chain restaurants have a better chance is because they have all their back end and business stuff dialed in. A lot of that even started with McDonald's, by the way, if you've never heard that story. But the beauty is, by having your own personal chef business, you don't have to deal with the overhead, the inventory, the staffing, and problems like that. But you do have to manage yourself. So make sure that when you're setting up your systems, like how your cook day for a client is going to run, planning your week, like when you're cooking versus dedicated time for paperwork and especially your marketing. You know, I've never honestly talked to a passionate home cook who was struggling to get clients in their personal chef business who had a great marketing plan that they were committed to and working. Never. You know, all this stuff can maybe sound overwhelming and everything, but if you want help, this is exactly what we work on in the Personal Chef Business Academy. You can click in the link in the description to learn more about it, because I'm telling you, the clients are out there, they're hungry for what you're cooking, but if you're confused about where to start or what to do first, or you just want to be able to get the information and get started getting paid faster to cook, it's really difficult to do on your own, and we can help you do it.